Vegetarian? Mine skips the tuna for watermelon. Check it out. Poké means slice or chunk in Hawaiian. I've always wanted to go to Hawaii, lay on the beach, sip one of those little fruity cocktails with the tiny little umbrellas. Savory marinade for sweet watermelon does a little magic trick in your brain like, what is this? Short grain brown rice. Whole grains taste better. Better for me? Win-win. This is a Zen thing. Slow down. Take a little me time.
That sounds like an excellent recipe for relaxation.
Poké bowls are all about the garnish. These are my faves.
Poke bowls are all about ingredients with lots of flavors, colors, and textures. Let's see what else Tiera will add.